In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Emergent. So it's pretty simple. And the first step you need to make is basically deploy your project. So you'll see this blue button which says deploy. So you need to click on it and you need to deploy your app. And once you have your app deployed, you will see those options. And from here, you need to choose custom domain. So click on link domain and now go to Hostinger. And you need to copy your domain. So once you are on home on Hostinger, you need to copy your domain, then paste it here. And there are two options you can use. You can use auto link domain or you can link manually. So in this case, I will show you how you can manually connect your domain. So I will click link manually. And now we need to update our DNS records in Hostinger. So we need to add those records to Hostinger. So those are the same, so I think the only one is enough. So let's say this first one and then this CNAME record. So those two records we need to add to Hostinger. So go to Hostinger and click on Manage next to your domain. Then choose DNS name servers. And from here you need to delete your existing CNAME and A record. So make sure to delete them to work. And once you have your DNS record deleted, you can go back to Emergent and copy this value. So the first record is type is A, this is name, and this is value. So copy the value, paste the value here where it says points to. So here paste your value, name was this and type was A, then click add record. So the first record has been successfully added. And now we can add the second one, which is CNAME. So make sure to copy this value. And host name is www. So go back again to Hostinger. We need to add new record. So type was CNAME, name was www, and target was this address. Then click add record. So once we have those two records added, we can click I have added DNS records. And this is going to verify. You will see this check mark next to your domain. So it's showing me linked. So this means our domain has been successfully connected. Now how we can check if it works, you can click on this visit button. This will open your live preview of your app. And as you can see, it's showing me checkmarkacademy.shop. So this means our Hostinger domain has been successfully connected to Emergent. This is how you can connect your Hostinger domain to Emergent. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.